Hey, it's Todd Ault, and thank you for watching Wall Street Words. Today's word is 10Q, not to be confused with the 10K, which is the annual report filed by public companies. The 10Q is the quarterly report. Now, these quarterly reports are filed every 90 days, due 45 days after the end of the quarter. They include important information about what the company has done during that quarter. These are not audited, but they are reviewed by the independent audit firm. Filed every quarter. There's a lot of people out there that think that these should not be filed quarterly, but they are the law and you have to abide by that. But there's a reason for that. I'll give you an example. Michael Dell thinks that the 90-day shot clock, which is a quarter, is too short and changes Wall Street's view and management's view of delivering on results, sort of compresses them into that 90-day period. A lot of smart executives think that we should go on a semi-annual report instead of a quarterly report. But right now, we're on a 90-day shot clock. That's the 10Q. That's today's Wall Street word, 10Q. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. New words and terms delivered every single day. Please subscribe, push the bell. If you found this information helpful or you think someone could benefit from this information, please share this video. Thanks for watching our channel. Always good things happening here.